Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can install apps to your Poco M5s. For that you want to go to your Play Store and then you have here apps recommended for you, top charts, apps for children and different categories. You also have games, apps and books down here, so just games, just books and just apps here. If you know the name of an app you like, then you can put in the name here, and then we have more information here about the app, and then we can click on install. Now you can open the app through this button here or uninstall it directly again if you don't want it anymore. But if you go back to your home screen and then swipe to the right, you have Lieferando here, and then you can open the app and do whatever you like with it. So that's how you install apps to your Poco M5s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.